Hello, Rich Cobb here at Cobb Tire and Service in Greenville, South Carolina, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We've been in business here for 40 years, and we offer, I believe, the best warranties here, 3-year unlimited miles, parts and labor, and we also offer loaner cars. If it's ever inconvenient for you to drop your vehicle off, we can help there. So, you know, being in business as long as we have, I think we have some of the best customers around, but we like to include you as a new one. So enjoy the next minute or so. We're just going to take some video footage, kind of show you who we are, let you see what a family business is like, and enjoy the video. We'll be back. Okay, that's a wrap, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And you know, if you're not one of our fantastic customers already, I really hope soon you will be.
Go ahead and smash that like button. Well, you don't have to smash it. Go ahead and give it a little bit of a tap. If you like this video, go ahead and check out our Facebook page right here. Go check it out. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching. Peace.